right, so this is called bent knee press. This is a great exercise for anybody that chronically sits. So what we're gonna be doing is opening up the hip crease. I'm gonna ask André to hug his left knee in towards his chest. And then slide the right leg, the right leg towards the roller or towards himself so that we've got a pretty good angle where the knee is over top of the ankle joint. He's going to keep this hugging pressure here as he applies pressure into the floor of the foot. And what you want to imagine is that your glutes stay down, your toes stay down and connected, and you're feeling a nice hip opener going on the right side. If we were to drop down the ribs a little bit more, we would get more of a stretch. Do you feel that? And then take a moment, take a breath in and exhale. And as you pull the left knee in towards the chest, you're gonna feel a deeper length or a deeper pull going on in the hip flexors there. So can we switch over to the other side? Okay, same idea. The right knee is hugging in towards the chest. The left foot is pressing the whole foot, big toe, pinky toe, center of the foot, center of the heel is pressing down, and we're creating a length on the left hip flexor. Take a focused breath in through the nose, and then exhale through the ribs. So what we're doing here is identifying length here, and also we're identifying the work between the left and the right ilium or pelvis. And then bring both feet down. To dismount, super easy. You're just gonna lift your hips up and then just move the roller away so you're nice and safe.